Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set monthly funding target in YNAB. All right, first up, let's go ahead and go to the plan section right here. And once done, go ahead and select a category, okay? Could be rent, groceries, or a specific savings category right here. So let's say I'm just going to go ahead and go to the needs section, okay, right here. Say we have groceries, okay? I'm going to click on grocery. And as you can see here, in the right panel, we have the target section. Okay, so what you'll do is just go to click on create target, like so. For example, I need how much? Okay, for example, monthly, I need 300. Okay, by last day of the month. Okay, so you'll be able to spend it first week of the next month. Okay, and so next month, I wanted to set aside another 300. Okay, and once that's done, just click on save target right here. And you're good to go. So when you click on edit right here, as you can see, we have next month, I want to. Yeah, you can go ahead and click on custom right here. And then I want to set aside 300. Okay. And the due will be January 1st as the time of recording. It is December right now, 11. So the due will be next month, first week, first day. Repeat, yes, every 1 month. So if you're happy with that, just click on save target and you should be good to go. You have here under I want to set aside, fill up to, or have a balance of 300, depending on you. Okay, you can just go ahead and select one of these options. You have here under next month, I want to set aside or refill up to 300 as well. So this one right here prompts you to add enough money to bring the category's available amount up to your target amount, which is good for variable expenses like groceries or gas. Okay, that is it. Just click on save and you're good to go. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.